In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for an Amazon Pay account. Welcome back. If you want a quick and secure way to pay online using your Amazon details, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a few minutes. Start by opening any web browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar, type pay.amazon.com and press enter. Make sure you're on the official site. Look for the secure lock icon in the address bar and double-check the URL is spelled correctly. Once the page loads, head to the top right and click Sign In. You'll be prompted to choose your account type, so pick the option that fits how you plan to use Amazon Pay. If you already have an Amazon account, simply log in with your existing credentials. This is the quickest route, and your saved details can carry over, making checkout faster across sites that accept Amazon Pay. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, click the Business Registration button at the top right. On the next screen, look for the Create Your Amazon Account button at the bottom. Click that and fill out the required fields: your first name, your email address, and a strong password. Re-enter the password to confirm, then click Next. When creating your password, aim for something unique and hard to guess, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. It's a good idea to avoid reusing passwords to keep your account secure. After that, you'll be asked to add a payment method. You can use a credit card, a debit card, or a bank account. Enter the details carefully and make sure the billing address matches what your bank or card issuer has on file to avoid any verification issues. If you're using a card, double-check the number, expiration date, and security code. If you're adding a bank account, ensure the account and routing details are correct. Doing this on a trusted device and a secure network is always best practice. Once you complete this step, you're enrolled in Amazon Pay. That's really all there is to it. With your Amazon account set up and a payment method added, you're ready to use Amazon Pay wherever it's accepted for a faster, more convenient checkout. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.